Hello everyone, this is Zaida Gholami from AgriMetsaf Research Company, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to use shortcuts for deleting rows in Excel. So basically, you know that whenever you select a row by clicking on these numbers on the left side, you can select the whole row. Okay, by right clicking on that row you can delete it. So that's so simple and easy. But what we want to do in here is to use shortcuts. So you can select any row, then you will press Control hyphen, and then you can see the row is deleted. Control Z to turn back, and that shortcut works for deleting columns also. So I select any column, I press Control hyphen, and the column is now deleted. But what about not selecting these rows manually by clicking? Okay, what you can do is to use shortcuts for also selecting that row or that column. All you have to do is to select any cell that you want to delete the row containing that cell. Okay, so I click on the cell right now. What I'll do is to press Shift space. Okay, so Shift space to select the row, and then Control hyphen to delete that row. What about columns? So I select the cell, I want to delete this column. All I need to do is to go for Control space, then Control hyphen. Easy peasy. So, what about deleting multiple rows using these shortcuts? So in here, we know that I can select this row using Shift space. Then, in order to select the rows upper or down that row, all I have to do is to hold Shift and then press Page Up or Page Down. Okay, that's how you can select the desired rows. Then all you have to do is to press Control hyphen, and the rows are deleted. You can do that also for columns, of course. First, press Control space to select the column, then hold Shift, press backward or forward, and then Control hyphen to delete them. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to AgriMetsaf channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.